Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up with Post Affiliate Pro for promotion automation, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by accessing the Post Affiliate Pro website. Click on the Sign Up button to create an account. Fill in the required information, including your email address and password. After submitting your details, check your inbox for a confirmation email. Follow the instructions in the email to verify your account. Once verified, log in to your Post Affiliate Pro dashboard. Navigate to the Configuration tab in the sidebar. Select payment methods to set up how you'll compensate your affiliates. Choose from various payment options available, such as PayPal or direct bank transfer. After setting up payment methods, click on the Affiliates tab. Select Manage Affiliates to invite new affiliates to your program. Click on Invite New Affiliate and fill in the affiliate's details. Send the invitation and wait for the affiliate to accept. Next, go to the Campaigns tab in the sidebar. Choose Create New Campaign to set up a promotional campaign. Enter the campaign name and description to provide clarity. Set the commission structure based on your business model. Decide between recurring or one-time payments for your affiliates. Once your campaign is set up, navigate to the Links section. Generate unique tracking links for each affiliate to promote your products. Configure the tracking settings to monitor clicks and conversions accurately. Now, move to the Reports tab to analyze your campaign's performance. Use the available metrics to adjust your marketing strategies accordingly. Lastly, ensure you regularly communicate with your affiliates. Provide them with promotional materials and updates on new products. This will help maintain their engagement and improve overall campaign success. You're now ready to automate your promotion efforts with Post Affiliate Pro. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.